MONX, Device Monitoring and Alerting Platform, designed to monitor IT, web, lab, facility, and manufacturing systems. What is MONX? MONX Overview. Business Case. Main Console Overview. MONX Operation. MONX Development. What is MONX? MONX platform is designed to monitor IT infrastructure, web, lab, and other manufacturing devices and instruments. MONX Overview. MONX allows to set and initiate alerts triggers based on predefined conditions, changes such as uptime, process run, temperature, or pressure changes. Business Case. There are many monitoring platforms available on the market. However, none of them provide cross-platform capabilities under a single console. Console Overview. MONX Administration Console is designed to process the following: add or remove devices based on the socket's ICMP or SNMP, define system owners for the alert delivery, enter or set alert initiation triggers, define alert delivery to email or mobile devices via SMS, track loggable alerts with acknowledgement from the system owners, define device locations based on the internal environment, process report export in a TXT, PDF, and XLSX formats. MONX Operation. The following process outlines MONX operations. MONX Development. The concept for MONX began with discussion about what exactly the phrase monitoring would mean. In addition to the ease of use, During MONX development, a team not only designed monitoring principles, but also integrated alerting capabilities with system owner acknowledgements that are loggable and verifiable from the audit standpoint. Also, due to the client's needs, MONX's team re-engineered past platform to support not only cloud or hybrid deployments, but also to be fully functional during on-premises deployments. For more information about MONX, visit our official website at www.monxexpert.com.